Hey, do you know what is an organic Rankine cycle generator? An organic Rankine cycle generator is like a normal steam generator, except it doesn't use water. It uses an organic fluid like propane, which has a boiling point of -40, and we boil the propane using just waste heat from an industrial process. It can be as cold as 75 degrees Celsius or 100 degrees Celsius. That allows us to take waste heat from an industrial process and generate electricity using no fuel at all. Just take the heat. Imagine that. I've got this highly modified ice maker machine, which I'm using just to compress refrigerant gas into and out of the big machine. If I need to take it out, or if I need to put it back in from a tank that doesn't have a very high pressure, and I use this little compressor just to get the refrigerant into the other refrigeration machine. I've also got several of these painted orange refrigeration gas cans, which have been vacuumed, so that I have a stock of vacuumed volume in case I quickly need to remove some of the refrigeration. I'm busy vacuuming the refrigeration plant just so that I can gas it with ethylene and R314A refrigerant, so that I can chill down the cold side of the Tesla turbine.